Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to turn off character voice in Free Fire. Free Fire includes character voice lines that play during matches, menus, and certain in-game actions. While some players enjoy them, others prefers a quieter gameplay experience, so if you want to turn off the character voice in the game, follow through the steps. Launch open the Free Fire game on your device and on the main lobby screen, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu where you'll need to click on sound on the left hand side. Under the game audio section, you'll see character voices. Go ahead and click on off right next to character voices, and this will turn off your character voice or voice lines in Free Fire game. Once you are done, you can then get back by tapping the cross icon at the top right, and the change will take effect immediately. Turning off the character voice in Free Fire is a simple way to enjoy a quieter and more focused gaming experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.